Do you love Nigerian food that tastes like home? Then hit that subscribe button. Here we make food that connects you to home and flavor. And if you have ever struggled with getting bitter leaf soup just right, so before we dive in, make sure you are subscribed. Every dish we make here brings you closer to your roots and taste buds. Alright then, let's cook. We'll be needing salt, oregano, cocoyam. I've already peeled mine, boiled, and pounded. Palm oil, crayfish, seasoning cube and beef seasoning, ogiri, stockfish, dried fish, the bitter leaf itself, our main star of the show. So in a clean pot, put your washed meat, stockfish and pomo, seasoning, salt, add water and cook till tender. Cover
A
and
few
cook.
moments later.
Ooh, you see that? We adding in crayfish, pepper, pounded pepper to be precise, palm oil, just stir that in. After adding the palm oil, the crayfish, and the pepper, let this cook and then proceed to wash your bitter leaf. So it's time for us to add in our cocoyam. Let me know in the comment, do you prefer cocoyam or achi? Me personally, I don't know how to use achi. I tried using it once and it was a disaster. I usually like my cocoyam cooking on low heat. I'll just add a little water. Don't forget to add your ogiri. Don't forget to add in your ogiri.
And also, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't
And
done
let's
so.
cover that and let that cook on low heat. Oh my god, this tastes amazing. Wow, that tastes amazing. On low heat, add in your dried fish. Have boiled and washed the bitter leaf. Just to add it in. Time to add in the bitter leaf. Now stir. And add in a bit more and stir again. There you have it. Our bitter leaf soup. Oh my god. Tastes amazing.
Let it simmer for a bit. Taste and adjust if needed.
We are done cooking.
Look at how good this looks. Our tasty bitter leaf soup is ready. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss anything. And I drop new videos every single week.
Drop a comment below if you'll be making this and tag a friend who needs to taste this magic. You see this? Yeah, magic. Alright, I'll see you next week. And Biko, chop.